here's my first pearl today, you guys.
All right.
Ready? That repairman's going to be your best friend.
Yeah.
When you see that repairman, you ought to be giving them a couple of $100, $200, $300 and say, thanks for showing up today. Here's a partial payment. Now, what'll happen is the next couple of times, if he's not on a normal schedule, the next couple of times that he comes to visit you after your phone call, you're going to give him that money. And after that, he's going to expect it, which is not bad, because when he gets your call, he's more likely to go where the money is and come and visit you. And you may get bumped to the front of the line because you're actually giving him some money and he doesn't have to wait 30 days to get it. So that repair person is your best friend in running that business, because a lot of people tell me, oh, I fix my machines. But the truth of the matter is, you don't want to be fixing machines. You don't want to be getting behind bulkheads. You don't want to be doing bearing jobs. Trust me, it's not worth it. Pay somebody to do it, but take care of them, because they are your bloodline to the operation aspects of your laundry.
Awesome. Larry, welcome from Sandy Springs, Georgia. And another legend in the house, Sharon Brinks, is in Wichita, Kansas. So we've got some good
I'm going to jump on one of these questions here. There's Jack at the shop.
Yeah, I was gonna bring that up. That was my next one.
What do you think about people that say retool every 7 years? Well, first of all, if you've got $500,000 and you want to throw it at that laundromat every 7 years, I can't tell you how to spend your money, but let me tell you, to finance $500,000 every 7 years is $8,600 a month. Now, I know I can fix that equipment for the next 7 or even 10 years at probably about $2,500 a month and save a whole lot of money. So I'm not of the school that says retool. I may look at what my turns per day are on each piece of equipment, and I may look at my competition, and I may say, I really don't need that many 20s or 30s anymore. I really need more 60s or 80s. And yeah, I might make some adjustments along the way there to give myself more capacity in my store. At the same time, you got to make sure that you don't short yourself on dryers, and you can actually put more dryers in there to keep up with the ratio of the poundage of the wash machines to the dryers. So you always have to be aware of that.
Yeah. I think that's awesome.